With the weather changing, a lot of people do find themselves feeling a little sick, and they wonder if they have the virus. So how do you tell? KPIX5's Devin Fehely spoke to a doctor about the symptoms you should look out for.
Every cough, sniffle, and sneeze, thankfully, isn't a sign that you're coming down with coronavirus, but people are worried and they're watching their health more closely than ever. There are some symptoms that doctors say you should pay especially close attention to, even as they try to expand access and treatment options.
I was packed, ready to go, bags at the door Friday evening to leave from San Fran and go to Miami. And just talking with my parents and kind of looking at precautions and what I could do. I didn't want to get stuck.
Mallory Macklin says she's become hyper aware of her health during the coronavirus outbreak, even canceling a cruise because of it, and is troubled by how the symptoms, at least at the outset, can be mistaken for a common cold or flu.
The coronavirus is causing respiratory symptoms, so certainly if you have respiratory symptoms, again, cough, shortness of breath, if you're experiencing any of those symptoms, you should definitely be talking to your primary care provider's office.
Because of the lack of available tests and because mild symptoms might be mistaken for other illnesses, some people say they're concerned people are walking around with undiagnosed cases of the disease, spreading it to others.
That's why it scares me for the older one to go to school, and what if he brings something with him and my little ones are more exposed to it.
On the peninsula, to meet the rising demand on hospitals and clinics, Sutter Health set up a drive-through medical unit for its patients in San Carlos.
Some of those patients can be cared for in their car. We can do a basic assessment that way.
The drive-through clinic is set up to conduct chest x-rays and to test for the virus itself. Sutter Health is also offering video consultations to ease the pressure on emergency rooms. And while there's not a cure or a vaccine yet, doctors hope that information, at least, will be an antidote to the fear spreading alongside the virus itself.
We want to emphasize that the drive-through clinic is for patients of Sutter Health. Your best advice is still to call your doctor first. They may be able to help you over the phone or online before seeing you in person. In San Carlos, Devin Fehely, KPIX5.